Hello, this is Chris with Creative Audio, and today we're going to do an overview of the Kenwood Excelon audio system for your 14 and up Harleys. Some of the unique features about this system is it's designed for your 14 and up Harley to be strictly plug and play. That means no cutting wires. And with today's bikes, with as much electronics are on them, you know how important it is to keep everything as intact as possible. Another unique feature with this system is you don't have to flash your Harley. With most systems nowadays, you have to flash your Harley to get rid of those horrible EQ curves and that overdriving of the factory system. With these, the technology built into it takes care of all of that for you. With these amplifiers, they're designed specifically for bikes. Unlike most amplifiers that are designed to work with cars with alternators, the stator that comes on your bike doesn't work the same. These are designed specifically to work with that. Also included are multiple different brackets depending on how many amplifiers and which bike that you have. It comes with both the brackets for the road glide and the street glide. When it comes to putting in speakers into your bag lids, some of the neat features that come with this that make it a little bit different than everything else is the cutouts that come with it have triple mounting points so that you keep it more secure so that you don't mess up when you go to cut into your lids. You'll also find that on their grill covers, there's channels that will channel the water away. We've all been caught in that rainstorm, and the worst thing that there can be possibly happen is having rain caught in that speaker. With these channels, that'll actually force that water away and not down into your bag or into your speaker. Another neat thing with this kit is the wires that come to put in the rear speakers. It comes completely cut, already designed and loomed to go from the amplifiers to the speakers, but it also includes the grommets going into the bag to keep any kind of moisture or anything out from the bag. The speakers that come with this kit are more unique than your normal speaker for your car. These are designed to be focused at the rider so that when they're on your fairing and facing out, they're not just flying past you, they're actually giving you the sound from where you sit. Their carbon cone and steel design combined with the 1-inch dome tweeter gives it that superior sound quality over your factory. Whether you're flying down the highway at 90 or you're going through the curves doing 30, it's going to give you that ultimate sound that you're looking for. Kenwood kits are designed to be fully expandable depending on your bike and your want. Starting with one amplifier, one pair of 6.5s for your fairings, or one amplifier and the 6x9s for the rear bags with the cutouts, all the way up to your full dresser with two 6.5s, a pair of 6x9s, and 3 amplifiers. Kenwood has a kit that's designed for you. So if you're looking for a quality audio system for your 14 and up Harley, Kenwood Excelon has great options for you. Stay tuned for more out-of-the-box videos from Creative Audio.